Welcome to today's video, where the spotlight is on 10 ways to use ChatGPT to help manage projects. Whether you are overseeing multiple projects or seeking to optimize a single one, these insights can be transformative and can help you do your job more effectively. In the past few months, more and more people have started using ChatGPT to help with some of the legwork that used to be done manually. While ChatGPT needs careful monitoring and is not a replacement for human analysis, it has really been a game changer for many project professionals. Here are 10 ways ChatGPT could be helping you on your next project. Understanding project requirements. One of the foundational steps in project management is grasping the project's requirements. With ChatGPT, teams can discuss and dissect these requirements. By posing questions and seeking clarifications, a comprehensive understanding is achieved, ensuring that all stakeholders are on the same page. Brainstorming ideas. Innovation is often the key to a project's success. ChatGPT serves as an invaluable brainstorming tool. By inputting the project's context, ChatGPT can generate a range of suggestions, from conventional to out-of-the-box, ensuring a well-rounded ideation process. Creating a project timeline. A well-structured timeline is the backbone of any project. ChatGPT can assist in breaking down tasks into manageable chunks. By detailing the project's milestones to ChatGPT, it can help allocate appropriate timeframes for each phase, ensuring timely completion. Drafting emails and communications. Clear communication is paramount. For those intricate emails or crucial project updates, ChatGPT can be utilized to draft them. This ensures that all communications are articulate, precise, and convey the intended message effectively. Research assistance. Every project requires a degree of research. ChatGPT can be a research partner, providing concise summaries, in-depth insights, and even directing to reputable sources for a comprehensive understanding of the topic at hand. Risk assessment. Identifying potential pitfalls is crucial. By analyzing the project's parameters with ChatGPT, teams can pinpoint potential risks. Furthermore, strategies can be developed in collaboration with ChatGPT to mitigate these risks, ensuring smoother project execution. Feedback analysis. Feedback is a goldmine of insights. After any project phase or prototype presentation, feedback can be processed through ChatGPT. It can categorize feedback, highlight critical points, and even suggest actionable steps to address and implement the feedback effectively. Budgeting and resource allocation. Financial prudence is essential for any project's success. ChatGPT can be a valuable ally in creating a detailed budget, monitoring expenses, and ensuring that resources, both human and material, are utilized optimally. Task delegation. A well-coordinated team is a productive one. ChatGPT can assist in task delegation by analyzing each team member's strengths and the project's requirements. This ensures that tasks are assigned to those best suited for them, optimizing efficiency. Review and refinement. Before finalizing any aspect of a project, a thorough review is essential. ChatGPT can serve as an analytical tool, reviewing project components and ensuring they align with the set goals and standards. Any discrepancies can be highlighted, and refinements can be suggested for optimal results. And that wraps up the diverse ways in which ChatGPT can be integrated into project management. By serving as an assistant, brainstorming partner, and analytical tool, ChatGPT can elevate the project management process, ensuring success and efficiency. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.